don't know how well the camera can pick this up. There is a stone chip here on my windshield. Comes all the way over here and then stops up there. What I'm going to do is take a glass grinding bit, put it in a drill where this stone chip is. I'm going to grind that down to the middle layer on the laminated windshield here. There are two pieces of glass, and in between there is a piece of plastic sandwiched in there. I'm going to just go through the first layer of glass, and we'll fill that in with resin. And just like if you have a drum kit and you have a cymbal that has a crack in it, you can drill a hole at the end and to keep it from further cracking, and I'm going to do that over here as well. So what I got going on here is a diamond encrusted Dremel tool bit. I'm going to put it in my drill here, put it on speed 1, and we're going to grind that out. And you'll need to wear some eye protection. Okay, I'm through that first layer of glass. What I'm going to do is just make sure that it's all free of debris in there. And we're going to get a windshield repair kit. When you do the windshield repair, the resin that's in here gets cured by the ultraviolet in the sun, so you want to do the repair in the shade and then park the vehicle in the sun afterwards for full curing. Okay, I'll wipe down this area with a paper towel, and this kit that I purchased has a little apparatus that has a rubber point here that'll go directly over the hole, and we'll put our resin in here and it'll put pressure on there to make sure it's in there all the way. So we're going to line this up over the hole that I had drilled in there. Now that that's lined up over the hole, we're going to take our resin here, place 4 to 6 drops in there. Next we'll take our pressure driver, go ahead and screw that down. Then we're going to wait 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes here. Take and completely remove the pressure plunger here, and then let the air out, tighten it all the way down. Alright, now what we're going to do is move this here and then take our apparatus off. Now we'll take our resin again. Put a little bit in that divot that we had, and on our crack. and we'll put one of these curing strips on there. Okay, now that we have our curing strips on there, I'm going to go park it in the direct sunlight. Okay, it's been curing in the sun here. Go ahead and peel these off. Comes with a little safety razor here. Go ahead and take it at 90 degrees to the windshield, and we'll go ahead, go back and forth, take off the excess resin there, and should be good to go. Okay, here's one of the chips right here. It's definitely, still you'll be able to see it. My crack there, you can still make it out a little bit. And here's where I went and drilled that hole, and it must have had some air bubbles in. It's probably hold together. It wasn't the best results that I had hoped.